Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add transition effects to your slide on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now go to your home page by tapping on the first icon down below, and here at this section you should select from all your presentations that you have created. So tap on the one that you would like to use. Click on this icon at the top of the screen indicated with the image of a pencil and the letter A. Tap on it again till you find this home category in the middle of the screen. Now click on the transitions option, click on transition effects, and as you can see there are a bunch of effects that you can use organized into categories such as subtle, exciting, dynamic content, and so on. So click on the one that you would like to use. Here you can select further options such as whether you would like it to begin from the right side or from the left side of the screen. Then if you would like to apply to all of your slides, click on the last button, apply to all. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.